Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a quick look at the syllabus for our course on Database Management Systems, or simply DBMS. Let's dive in. There are 14 chapters to cover in this course. Don't worry, I'll explain each one in a super simple way. Chapter 1. Introduction to RDBMS. We'll start with the basics, understanding what a relational database management system is. Chapter 2. Relational database. Next, we'll explore how relational databases work. Now, Chapter 3. Database design and ER model. We'll learn how to design a database using something called the Entity Relationship Model, or just ER model. Chapter 4. Introduction to SQL. Now comes the fun part. We'll start learning SQL, the language used to talk to databases. Chapter 5. Advanced SQL. After the basics, we'll level up with advanced SQL topics like procedures, triggers, and functions. Chapter 6. Formal query languages. Here, we'll dive into something called relational calculus and relational algebra. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Chapter 7. Normalization. This chapter is all about organizing your database properly. We'll learn about different types of dependencies and how to avoid problems. Chapter 8. Storage and file structure. Databases need storage. We'll see how data is stored behind the scenes to make things faster. Chapter 9. Indexing and hashing. Want to find your data faster? This chapter shows you how indexing and hashing help. Chapter 10. Query processing and optimization. Here we'll learn how the database processes our queries and how to make them super efficient. Chapter 11. Transactions and concurrency. We'll understand how databases handle multiple users working at the same time without issues. Chapter 12. Database system architectures. We'll explore distributed and parallel databases, fancy words that simply mean databases spread across multiple computers. Chapter 13. Data warehousing and data mining. Here we'll learn how companies store huge amounts of data and find useful information from it. Chapter 14. XML and advanced databases. And finally, we'll see how databases handle new formats like XML and explore some advanced topics. Now you might ask, why should we even learn DBMS? Database Administrator, DBA, is a major career option. They manage and control entire databases. Data analysts and business analysts also need strong DBMS skills. Companies today want full-stack developers. That means you should know how to work with both front-end and back-end, and databases are a big part of the back-end. If you dream of becoming a software tester or penetration tester, pen testers, then trust me, database knowledge is a must. So DBMS is super important, not just for your career, but also for understanding how information is stored and managed all around us. Alright guys, that's the quick overview of the syllabus. In the next video, we'll start exploring database management systems with formal definitions. But don't worry, I'll make it easy and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.